Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube? Today, I'm like super excited because let me tell you, I have these. And you probably heard about them. These are the 5-driver BGVP DM6. And they're legends. Just look at this. Here we go. Alright, guys, let's open up the box and see what's inside, and then we'll talk about some other stuff that I want to tell you about them. Okay. Let's move this. Really excited. Oh, man. Moment of truth. Yeah, baby. Got it. Just what I wanted. Transparent clear. Let's see. What else do we have in this? Okay, so first we have this pair of bad boys. Transparent clear. I'm going to show it to you in a moment. Put it aside for a second. And this is the basic cable. It's a good cable, but you know, most people said that the DM6 worked great with a pure copper cable. So I just got a pure copper cable from Nice Hack. I'm going to leave the links below if you want to buy them. Here we go. So it's a different, this is the basic cable that you get inside the box. I'm not going to use it. And this is the cable I got. It's a pure copper cable, which probably sounds a lot better. So yeah, if you want to get the best experience, get yourself a pure cable, pure copper cable. Again, I'm gonna leave the links below if you wanna check this out. Some booklets here, nothing interesting, and we got the warranty, and we got this box, which I presume includes some ear tips. How do you open this? All right, so
yeah, some ear tips. I'm not going to use them. I'm going to use something else that I also bought from Panel Audio. We got the brush and some extra tips. And what's this? Oh, these are foam tips. Okay, a little box with some foam tips. So that's what's inside the box.
And now let's move on to the real deal. This looks like a tough mission. Hold on one second. Here we go. Can you see that? Wow. They're amazing. Look at these. Completely transparent. You can see the cable inside here. You can see there are 5 balanced armature drivers inside with a frequency of 10 to 30 kilohertz and sensitivity of 122 decibels with impedance of 20 ohms. Yeah. One thing that I forgot to tell you is that this cable is balanced 2.5 millimeter. So this is a balanced cable. I'm not going to use a 3.5. I'm going to use the balanced cable because I prefer it this way. So yeah, I mean, just look at how beautiful they are. Look at these. Absolutely amazing. Let me take out this thing for a second. This is the board. You can see here. So beautiful. Look at this. Just take a look at this. This is a masterpiece. Yeah. What else do we have inside? We have the Knowles drivers. And yeah, I mean, What else can you ask for? Under $200, you get these. Unbelievable. Wow. All right. I'm going to listen to some music and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, and I'm back. You guys, I really can't speak enough about these. I'm mind blown. These are mind blowing. I mean, they're so transparent, so natural. You get to hear all the details, even things you didn't really expect to hear. And they're not V-shaped at all. I've heard some people saying they're V-shaped. They're not V-shaped. Completely different, in my opinion. They're very balanced. Some people indicated there's some sort of a peak at 8 kilohertz. I haven't heard this, and I'm very happy I haven't heard this. I don't know if it's because of these cable, the pure copper cable. I don't know. I don't know if it's because they're a little bit tweaked or different. But all I know, guys, is that these are the real thing. You can hear everything. And the mid bass and the treble and the details and the soundstage. It's so amazing. I mean, I have the Solaris, and seriously, I don't think, the $800 difference between the Solaris and these is what you get when you listen to them. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, I'm using the ES100 adapter, which is one of the best acquisitions I've ever made in the past year. This is the ES100. This is a Bluetooth adapter with dual DAC and headphone and an headphone amp, and it's such an amazing device with such an amazing application. So I'm using these. It has both 3.5 millimeter and a balance jack 2.5 millimeters. So yeah, I mean, the connector, it goes like this, goes directly to the 2.5 millimeter. Let me just see. Yeah. And from here, I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can connect it to your mobile device. You can connect it to your laptop or desktop. You can connect it to your external headphone amp, or you can do whatever you want with this. So this combination of ES100, I'll take all of them together. The ES100 together with the DM6 and the pure copper cable by NISAC, this combination is gold. The hype is actually truth. I mean, look at these. So beautiful. Wow. I'm definitely going to use them on a daily basis. Oh my god. You guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll do my best to answer anything you want to ask. And other than that, I'm definitely going to enjoy them. Definitely going to enjoy them. Yeah. Again, I'm going to leave the links below. And if you like these and if you like what you've seen, please make sure to subscribe. And I'm going to see you next time with some more cool stuff. Alright, guys. Until next time. Peace.